Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing the DJI Air 3S, a drone that's been getting a lot of attention for its powerful camera system and solid flight performance. We'll take a look at what's inside the box, go through the included accessories, and I'll share my first impressions. If you've been considering the Air 3S or just want to see what this drone offers right out of the box, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. One of the biggest differences between the DJI Air 3S and its predecessor, the Air 3, lies in the camera setup. While the Air 3 featured a dual camera system with two 1/1.3-inch sensors, one wide angle and one medium telephoto, the Air 3S simplifies things by focusing on a single, larger 1-inch sensor. This larger sensor significantly improves image quality, especially in low light conditions, offering better dynamic range and more detail overall. Although you lose the dual lens flexibility of the Air 3, the Air 3S makes up for it with a more capable main camera that's ideal for both photography and cinematic video. DJI seems to have shifted the focus toward image quality over lens variety with this update.